this video, I'll show you how to fix the no audio device installed or no audio output device found issue on both Windows 10 and 11. Right now, I'm using Windows 11. If you look at the speaker icon in the bottom right corner, you'll see a red X and a message that says no audio device installed. Let's go through the most effective solutions. Let's right-click on the Windows icon and select Device Manager. Look at the top for the audio inputs and outputs. Double-click on it to expand it, and let's find the speaker. It might be called Realtek High Definition Audio or something similar. Once you find it, right-click on it and make sure it's not disabled. If it is, click on Enable Device. Then click on Update Driver and choose Search Automatically for Drivers. Next, let's scroll down to the Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Expand that as well and look for anything labeled High Definition Audio or Realtek Audio. Make sure it is enabled. Then right-click on it and select Update Driver. Now, if you don't see these sections, go to the top menu and let's click on View. Then select Show Hidden Devices. If it's still not showing, let's click on Action, then choose Scan for Hardware Changes. If you see the audio devices, that's great. If not, here's another method. Look under the System Devices and expand it and check for anything related to the audio. Now, if anything has a yellow exclamation mark or look disabled, right-click on it and choose Uninstall Device. Now, you could also uninstall any audio device under the Audio Inputs and Outputs and the Sound, Video, and Game Controls. Then restart your computer and Windows will reinstall them automatically once restarted. And check if the sound is back. If not, resume to the next step. Right-click on the Windows icon and let's select Settings. In the left-hand menu, click on Windows Update, then click on Advanced Options, scroll down, and let's click on Optional Updates. Look under Driver Updates. If you see anything related to the Realtek Audio, select it and click on Download and Install. Now, it's also a good idea to install any other available updates. Once you're done, restart your computer and check the audio again. Click on the Windows search bar and let's type Services. Click on it from the result, and once the Services window open, scroll down and let's find Windows Audio. You can press the W key on your keyboard to jump to that section. Double-click on the Windows Audio to open it. Make sure the startup type is set to automatic and check that the service status says running. If it's not running, click on Start, then Apply, then OK. Now, if you get an error when you try to start the Windows Audio service, then right-click on it and choose Properties. Go to the Log On tab, select Local System Account, check the box Allow Service to interact with desktop, then click Apply and try starting the service again. Also, let's look for the Realtek Audio service. Double-click on it and make sure it's running. Once done, check if the audio is working now. If not, move to the next solution. Right-click on the Windows icon and let's go to Settings. Click on System on the left, then Sounds. Scroll down and click on More Sound Settings, or might be called Advanced Sound Settings. A new box will appear. In the Playback tab, find your speaker or audio device. Right-click on it and choose Set as Default, if it's not already set as the default. Right-click on it again and go to Properties. Click the Levels tab and make sure the volume is set to at least 50%. Then go to the Enhancement tab. Try checking Disable All Enhancements because sometimes this resolves the issue. Click apply, then OK. And check if the audio is working now. If not, let's go to the next solution. Right-click on the Windows icon and let's go to Settings. From the left-hand menu, click on System, then choose Sound. Scroll down to the Advanced section and let's select Output Devices. Scroll down in that window and click on Yes to start the troubleshooting process. And let Windows scan and attempt to fix the issue automatically. If the problem isn't fixed, let's move on to the next solution. This last solution often fixes strange hardware problems. If you're on laptop, shut it down, unplug the charger, disconnect all USB devices like keyboard, mouse, and speakers. If your battery is removable, take it out. Press and hold the power button for 25 seconds. Then release. After that, plug everything back in and turn your computer back on. If you're using a desktop PC, shut it down completely, unplug the power cable, disconnect all USB devices, and press and hold the power button for 25 seconds. Then release, and check to see if the problem has been resolved. If one of these methods helped you, let me know in the comments and mention which solution worked for you so others can try it too. And please like and subscribe for more tech help like this. Thank you for watching.